washed the skillet, drying it out right now. Got the oven set at 250. One of the things I don't like about this oven is you clean it and it still looks dirty. Now one of the challenges of eating whole food plant-based is not using any oil. Roux is typically made with oil, and oil is just off the menu. Got the oven preheated at 250. Put it in. It's been in 15 minutes. Gonna break the flour up, kind of stir it around, and then let it cook for another 15 minutes until it's close to the color that I'm looking for, and like a light brown. And I'll take it out, and because it's in a cast iron skillet, cast iron skillet. You know, I keep forgetting to do this. Don't make noise on video. Because it's cast iron skillet, it'll keep cooking. Put this back in. Let's check on the roux. This is the first time I've made it like this. My mom told me about it, and it's kind of chilly. I'm hungry for an okra gumbo, and so we're making roux. I made a mistake. The temperature should be 350 to 400. If you notice, it's really starting to brown now. There's white. And let me turn the light on so you can see a bit better. It browns from the bottom up, so you got to constantly kind of stir it. I'm stirring it every 15 minutes. I don't think I'm gonna have to do it much longer. It's getting close. If you notice, it really made a difference. I'm gonna go ahead and take it out because it's going to keep cooking. Turn the stove off. Technically, I should have sifted the flour ahead of time, but I didn't do it. Let me switch hands. You notice how dark it is. I went ahead and took it out the oven because it's gotten dark enough and breaking up the clumps. It's going to continue to darken because the skillet's hot. Now, ideally you should sift the flour first. I didn't do it, but it's going to be okay. There we go, and we're just going to let it continue to cook and come start in about 10 minutes. Came out really good. It's basically finished cooking. Stirred it. Pot's cool. Flour's probably got still a little heat in it. This will be the last time I stir it, and then I'm going to make some okra gumbo. See how the roux came out? Real golden color. Could have cooked it a little bit longer, make it darker, if you like that sort of thing. I could have cooked the roux longer and made it darker. But I decided this time I wanted a lighter roux. Sorry about the scraping noise. That beautiful, beautiful color. One of the things you can do if you like, you can season your roux at this point, but I'm not going to do it. Let's see here, how do we go? Probably should have used a pint jar, but I have quart handy. There you go, guys. About a half a quart of roux, made in the oven, no oil, just plain roux.